Hello, my name is Sergey Mukhin and I am the head of the Master's Program Quantum Physics for Advanced Materials Engineering at MISIS University. Our university has a rich history of research in quantum materials and technologies. Inspired by the contribution of Professor Alexei Abrikosov, the Nobel Prize laureate, who advanced quantum physics of superconducting materials during his time here, NUST MISIS has become one of the leaders in the field. We were the first in Russia to develop a superconducting quantum bit for quantum computer prototype and have achieved significant advancements in quantum processors, communication systems, and sensors. The College of Physics and Quantum Engineering continues to drive innovations with cutting-edge laboratories equipped for advanced research in quantum materials, superconducting electronics, and nanophotonics. Our master's program offers personalized educational tracks, allowing students to focus on their research interests while providing basic knowledge of the quantum physics of solids and deepening their knowledge in specialized fields.
Students in the program work on projects related to quantum Hall effect, column blockage, Landauer conductance, and other phenomena in low-dimensional systems. They gain practical experience in university laboratories by applying theoretical calculations and experimental techniques such as electron and scanning probe microscopy and spectroscopy. Our students actively publish in top journals and participate in international collaborations.
I will say that the program is structured in that way that even if a person is not very acquainted in the field of condensed matter physics, he can get around these subjects. It provides a good solid background to continue the research. My advice is to join this program so that one can understand the condensed matter physics, how research is done in the cutting edge of this field.
If you are ready to join a vibrant international scientific community and shape the future of quantum technologies, we invite you to apply to our program. Feel free to contact us via email. We'll be happy to answer your questions. We look forward to seeing you at NUST MISIS.